So g'day and welcome back to another, just a simple geology of Victoria. So behind me we have farmland. Eventually this is going to be turned into a housing estate like we have here. Lots of 3 and 4 bedroom housing. So I don't have any microphone, don't have anything like that. And as you can see, this is Digger's Rest. And over that way, and that is the north is up that way. We're looking at north east, and that is Sunbury. So today is a beautiful day, no clouds. Okay, so we're looking at Sunbury, and all this is just basalt. So that peak there, that's actually a volcanic scoria cone, which pervades a lot of regions in this area. But if we turn around over to the hills over that way, this is the Riddle Sandstone, and the Riddle Sandstone continues all the way around. So this is called the Black Hills. And a lot of it still is forested, but as you can see, quite a few of the peaks have been cleared for agriculture. So it's a Riddle Sandstone, and it's mainly a sandstone, turbidic, so it's caused in a turbidite, which I've described before. It does have shales and siltstones in it, and in the shales you can find granite, not granite, graptolites. So they're supposedly an extinct organism, although there is one species that might be alive. So all in the foreground, what you were seeing is basalt. So the basalt flows have come from these volcanic cinder cones, and probably also fissure volcanoes and volcanic Mars. But if there were volcanic Mars around here, they've been filled in a long time ago. So we have all the way that way. That is going towards Geelong Way, and we have the Yangs down there somewhere. And over in that peak, that's another volcanic scoria cone. So all this area is pretty much scoria. It's only when you get into the hilly country you get into the Riddle Sandstone. And that has been... So during the Permian, probably about 250, 260 million years ago, there was a large glacier around here. But it terminated somewhere going towards the north, probably towards Ballarat way. So supposedly here was actually under glaciation 250 million years ago. So in between that time period and now, we've had some type of uplift. So, and then a rejuvenated, that might even be part of the monocline. So basically we might be somewhere close to the Melbourne Trough or the Melbourne Sunklands. So at one time, it might be about 2 to 3 million years ago, there might have been uplift, which has uplifted this peak, and it started to erode. But the volcanic material around here is probably, I don't think this has been dated, but it could be 500,000 to 4 million years old. So I need to find what volcanic peak that is. So this is crops. So they're using these crops. This is like a reddish brown soil. It's not the black soil, so obviously it's been leached quite a lot. So it might be an older soil than the black stuff. And it has less organics, less water. So if you go over there and you find some shale, you can find graptolites. Most of it pretty much should have a graptolite or two in the actual material, but because it's hemipelagic, so it's sort of deep water, there probably isn't that much bottom dwelling organisms, probably pretty sparse, but you should be able to get your echinoderms. And the sandstone should have some type of rock. And looks like we have some clouds coming over that way, although the clouds are supposed to be coming from the south. So I hope this helps you with your geology. We have a large broad western volcanic basalt, and up to the north of it we have these rolling hills of Ordovician and Silurian sedimentary rock. And it's actually quite beautiful. So it's a bit sunny. Thank you and goodbye.